Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, Umkhokha the curse. Mazungu has gotten a temp, right? Girl is showing off. Girl is making sure Uguti her place is seen and she is doing the utmost best. But does she remember Uguti this is only a temp, or is she working hard to ensure Uguti ukhombisile noma ngavule kumbobo uzofaka yena? But mina personally I wish ukuthi athole i-permanent job shema ukuthi hayi at least umuzi kaMaphalala uvuke. Yo kube indaba ke le esimele sonke, right? I'm sorry to get to do it last. Indaba kabani? Khulekani, Siphamandla, noMafu, noMkhosi. Hayi asuke ke uMaphalala aye kunoMkhosi. Fike yana uMaphalala kunoMkhosi athi lo moya oza ngawe noMkhosi awuvumelani ke unomoya wasendulo nalento oyenzayo. Ngithi bathi prophecy hey kube yinyi prophet serious kabi. Uyambona uNomkhosi ukuthi iyayifila lento ukuthi le ibuya kumvelasi qobo lwakhe, but because she is hungry for power ugirl akafuna ukuzwa next the disrespect anayo in her underlying tone. Yo, but mina was just happy ukuthi for once uMaphalala ukhe wafika wabona, and wabona very fast because uMaphalala ngisho uyibonela le kude into seyindlulile. Sike atshele lo baba ukuthi uhluleka ukuthi nje uprofeti ukuthi imvula izonetha. Ubhizi uzoprofeta abidi nonsense. Guys, today like I'm done. Like I'm done ngomkhokha. It's playing with my emotions and I'm not ready for this. All right, fine. Ahambe ke, but ke Nokubonga the daughter yakaMaphalala ahamba ahlalise uMabusi phansi amtshela ukuthi hayi man uNokubonga is moving shady. She's called every woman to a meeting but not mina no Manzimande and I feel ukuthi something is wrong in my spirit. Utshela ubani uNomafu thinks ukuthi hayi it's all nice things and stuff and says hayi ungawari wena. It's not a big deal, just chill, right? Kanti akazi ukuthi ngale esontweni ziqalile. Buza ukuthi kwenzakalani esontweni. Buza ukuthi kwenzakalani esontweni. Ubize njengoba bize umama ubafundisa ukuthi bathi haleluya. Uyasabeka athi isiprophet lesa sitholile akasafanelwanga. Guys, ini abo Maphalala bamangele, abo phakathayo bamangele, abo mama bayibambile so i-rhythm. Wenzeni ungenile uNomkhosi la singaqabanga sonke ukuthi angangena. Esontweni like the church has started, right? Sikubani sikukhulekani manje. Khulekani Shumayeliyani athi ngubani mina manje ngibona hayi bathula ibandla. Ngubani mina hayi aphakama uyiwa nomkhandlo athi ukhulekani Mthembu athi asho kulo yakhumbula lo bekaye umzalwane and then came ebujudeyeni because of ukhulekani the child to right hand man kaMamzobe athi ya umkhululi in athi bandla ngiyanibuza futhi mani nibona ubani hayi sebasho ukuthi umkhululi athi all right ngale bathi ngukumkhululi abo mama ngisho sekabafakile uNomkhosi elayinini naba uyesabeka. At this point Khulekani's pride stinks. At this point ipride kaKhulekani iyanuka, and I'm glad ukuthi uMaphalala ubatshela ukuthi it's going to end in serious tears. Buzake hey kube after church stories khanje yana khulunywe mankoro ngamakoro kuhlethwe, but uMamzobe noPhakathwayo bayibambe le ndaba. uPhakathwayo athi hayi man something fishy here, kunuka tin fish la, kunuka ikarapao. This cannot be. All right sharp sithi indaba incane ababizo ulo uzamcolo ukuthi uzamcolo bekaphumile noMabusi bathi bazikhiphile edatini yabo yokugcina since bazosebenza nje banyeke babe ne-romantic time eningi. Angisho bona they don't know what's coming. Hayi babize ufika umkhandlo, mawufika umkhandlo I-announce ukuthi hayi sikhulumile nomfowethu. Umfowethu njengoba nimbona bekashumela lokugcina in sukumi yana umkhandlo baqale bambonga umkhandlu ukuthi siyabonga khulekane usebenzile Jealous Town, hayi uyilwile uyibambile le ndlela, siyakubonga. Hayi basukume ufanelwe athi njengoba senithi ufanelwe niphaphazela nizwe ngami ukuthi ngiyehla athi pholani imdoko lesihlalo esam angiyehli hli kayizini is booming kumkhokha the curse, but I don't have the heart to watch it. So if I'm not available, just know my heart was weakened. But yeah, this is your girl Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Peace. Bye.